Hello, my wonderful subscribers. How are you all doing? And because we Africans, we like fufu a lot, this is another way of eating your vegetables, your mixed vegetables. This is the mixed vegetables of broccoli, carrots, and all other. It comes in a pack. So you just take some of them, you run hot water into it to defrost, put it in your blender as it's being done. Broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, it's mixed vegetables. And then by the time you put it in your blender, it blends it and you pour it into your pot and add some binders, as you can see in the video. So with this is very good for the diabetic that does not want to eat carbs, or people that are doing a low carb diet, that are dieting, that want to lose weight. This is another food if you're an African and you want something like fufu. You can make this vegetable fufu, and very good. You can use any type of soup. So these are the binders that we use: xanthan gum, and we put 2 tablespoons of the xanthan gum in there and stir. Yeah, that's it. And then you stir it together. I also add cornstarch as well, and the whole thing comes together like fufu. It's not as thick as fufu, but when you leave it to cool down, it thickens. So this is the cornstarch. You add 2 tablespoons of it, 2 teaspoons of it to it. It depends on the quantity of the vegetable that you are using anyway. So if it's much, you use tablespoon. If it's a little, you use a teaspoon to measure your corn flour and also your cornstarch and also your xanthan gum. So you see it's binding it together. It's becoming thicker and thicker. So this is a very good meal. You can use it to eat ogbono, you can use it to eat egusi, or any type of soup, and even vegetables. It's not as heavy or thick as real fufu, but it's a good substitute and it makes a very good meal. And this will not raise your sugar. It will not raise your sugar. You see, it has binded. It's thicker. It's not even falling away from the spoon. So this will barely raise your blood sugar. Very good for low carb diet and also for the diabetic with portion control. This one, if you want to eat, you're not going to. Only one person is not going to eat this. This is for about 2 persons or even 3 persons. You see, yummy. I love it. This here, I'm eating it with egusi soup. With ogbono and okra soup. I'm using spoon to eat it, and very delicious. Very, very delicious. Lovely. So you try it and let's see if you would like it, and put in the comment section how you enjoyed it or how you made it. Let other people know. You see that? Very nice. So that is it. Vegetable fufu made of cauliflower, broccoli, carrots,